How to make transparent head in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about making a transparent head in Roblox. So in order to do that, you can do it in few steps or ways depending on whether you're using Roblox Studio, which is for creating a game or avatar experience, or Roblox Player, which is your avatar for public games. So in Roblox Player, or in the Roblox website, you need to go to Avatar section, which is in the left-hand side of the screen between the Friends and Sandbox. You can't directly make your head transparent in official Roblox avatar editor, but you can use the workarounds. So first of all, you need to use a headless head item, which is a limited item. So the headless head is a UGC item usually sold during Halloween. Tap on Get More in the top right, and from the search bar, type in headless. Once you search for headless head, it will give you several different options and you need to spend your Robux for it. And after you tap on add or you own it, any headless head that you like, go to your avatar and then go to head and body, tap on heads and select the headless option and you'll be done. Or you can also use accessories to hide the head. You can equip large accessories like void head, magma flint head, and big hoods or masks that cover the head and make you headless. So combine with the black skin tone and black hair to blend it. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.